this process has been changed into a collegiate system. Process will remain, but all three departments will sit together with the concerned department which requires the post. And these three departments in collegiate way, that means the file will not move. It will be discussed across the table, and whatever approvals has to be granted will be granted, rather will be recommended to a high-powered committee chaired by me, because all these three departments are under me, personnel, ARD and finance. And that the committee will have chief secretary who is personnel secretary, ARD secretary and finance secretary. That committee of 4 will finalize whatever has been recommended by joint secretaries committee. Process which otherwise takes 1.5 years, 2 years can be done in 30 days, and in certain cases even less. So this is one major administrative reform for which cabinet has given approval, and another 15 days the process should be 15-20 days the process will start. I expect first few results by this month end, or at the most first week of December. Thereafter the department will be permitted to go for their recruitment by advertising the various posts available with the department. 1 year. You don't require it to do annually. Why do you? काल तुका 10 मनीस जाय आसले, आयज 20 मनीस जाता. 5 वर्सांक करूं येता न्ही, 4 वर्सांक करूं येता. Individual process will always remain. So if there is something required after 1 year, they can refer it to the department routinely. That has not been scrapped. Currently the authority mechanism has been changed.